With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so in this question it is given that the ratio of maximum velocity to the velocity of a particle performing SHM at a point where potential energy is what? 25% of total energy. Okay, so as we have learned the concept of potential energy, kinetic energy and total energy in SHM, I'm just going to write down the whole relation that we have learned actually in SHM, that the potential energy for a particle that is performing SHM, that is equal to what? M omega square x square divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. This is the potential energy, where m is the mass of particle, omega is the angular frequency, and x is the displacement from the mean position. Okay, and the relation of kinetic energy is what? The relation of kinetic energy is actually m omega square by 2 and a square minus x square. Okay, again a is here amplitude and x is the displacement from the mean position. And for total energy, we just have to add up the potential energy and the kinetic energy. Okay, so if we take the sum of these both terms, so after taking sum, m omega square x square by 2 and minus m omega square x square by 2, it will cancel out. So the total energy is going to be equal to what? M omega square a square by 2 actually. Okay, this is the total energy. But according to the question, it is given that the potential energy is 25% of total energy. Okay, means the potential energy is 25% of total energy. Okay, so the potential energy is what? Potential energy is m omega square x square divided by 2, that is going to be equal to 25%, means 25 by 100, and the value of total energy is what? That is actually m omega square a square by 2. Okay, so m omega square and m omega square will cancel out, and 25 into 4 means we are going to cancel this 100 with 25 with 4. Okay, and 2 will also cancel out. Okay, so if we find out the value of x in that case, so the value of x is going to be equal to what? The value of x is going to be equal to a by 2 actually. Okay, means we just have find out the displacement from the mean position of the particle, that is what? That is x equal to a by 2. Okay, now we have learned the relation of the general velocity for the particle, that is what? That is v is equal to omega under root of a square minus x square. Okay, and as we know that the maximum velocity of the particle is what? That is equal to a omega. Okay, according to the question, we have to find out the ratio of maximum velocity to the velocity of particle that is performing SHM, where potential energy is 25% of total energy. Okay, so in that case, v max divided by v, it is going to be equal to what? A omega, and the general equation is what? Omega into under root of a square minus x square. Okay, so from here omega and omega will cancel out, so the value of v max upon v, that is going to be equal to what? That is going to be equal to a divided by under root of a square minus the value of x is what? A by 2, that is a square by 4. Okay, so if we simplify this term, so after simplifying, it is going to be equal to under root of 4 by 3, and that is going to be equal to what? That is going to be equal to 2 is to under root of 3. So from option we can say that our option number 1 is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.